In today's video, we'll be discussing the key principles of managing your money effectively and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund, these tips will help you take control of your finances and set yourself up for success. 1. Create a budget. The first step to managing your money effectively is creating a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money, and it's essential for staying on track and avoiding overspending. Start by listing all of your income and expenses, and then use this information to determine how much money you can afford to save each month. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a major obstacle to achieving your financial goals. To get out of debt as quickly as possible, focus on paying off the accounts with the highest interest rates first. Consider a balance transfer credit card or a personal loan with a lower interest rate to help you pay off your debt faster. 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you can use to cover unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or a job loss. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. This will help you avoid going into debt in the event of an emergency. 4. Invest in your retirement. One of the most important financial goals you can have is saving for retirement. The earlier you start saving, the more you'll have when you retire. 5. Live below your means. One of the most common reasons people struggle with money is because they spend more than they make. To avoid this, make sure you're living below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving the rest. 6. Save for big-ticket items. Instead of financing big-ticket items, such as a car or a house, save up for them in advance. This will help you avoid going into debt and paying interest on these items over time. 7. Educate yourself. Personal finance is a lifelong learning journey. Keep yourself updated by reading books, articles, and taking courses on personal finance to understand how to manage your money effectively. 8. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can add up quickly and put a strain on your budget. To avoid impulse buying, wait 24 hours before making a purchase. This will give you time to think about whether you really need the item or if you're just buying it on a whim. 9. Avoid unnecessary subscription and memberships. Subscription and memberships can add up quickly and eat into your budget. Review your subscriptions and memberships, and cancel any that you're not using or don't need. Conclusion: managing your money effectively is essential for achieving your financial goals. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to taking control of your finances and setting yourself up for success. Remember to create a budget, pay off high-interest debt, build an emergency fund, invest in your retirement, live below your means, save for big-ticket items, educate yourself and avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary subscription and memberships. If you like the video, please hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can promote this video and it reach to more people. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It will motivate me to upload more such videos.